Okay, in this part we're gonna set up the four-wheel steering for the truck. If you grab this and move it, you should have these wheels moving like this, which we set up before. So let me make a new workspace down here because this is getting pretty messy. So I'm gonna go to the top left and say add a new workspace and call it steering, and also make active. Okay. Let's grab 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 pieces and say add selected. There's our 4 steering racks. And now all we need to do is create a link between all 4 of these. So let's give these a little bit of space. And with all 4 of these, I'm going to select them, go over to the channels tab, and I want position X. So let's drag that in. Here's position X, position X. Okay, so let's see, this should be linked to this, right? These should both move together. So let's drag the position into position, and let's see if I move this one. Oop. So it's going the wrong way, right? Because the scale of this whole group on the right side is -100 scale. So we need to correct that. It's pretty easy. So we can add or select this line here and say add channel modifier, math, and basic math multiply. So now in this multiply, we've got an option here. Value B should be -1. So now they're linked together. And let's do the same thing here. Okay, let's connect these two. So if I go back to this one. Alright, so that's what's happening here. I think this should actually go to the other one. And then this, or this can go to this one. There we go. So now when each of these steers, they'll all follow each other. And so this is the, I guess, like the leader that controls the other ones, right? So instead of having to go in here and select this piece every time, I would rather have this parented to a locator somewhere. So let me press L to create this new locator up here. Again, Control 1, toggle locators. Make sure you can see them. Okay, so this locator, let's go to properties, change the shape to custom, shape to a circle, and make sure it's aligned to view. So this will be our steering. Let's call it steering, and this can go inside the main controller. Alright, and I want to go to channels, look for position X, drag that in. So now the position X of this should control the position X of that steering rack. So let's see if I move. Good. I kind of want it so that if I move this thing right, it turns to the right, and right now it's doing the opposite. So we can make another modifier. So let's add channel modifier math multiply, and let's make value b negative, instead of -1, let's try negative 0.5 to make it less sensitive. Okay, maybe 0.3. That looks pretty good. I just want it to generally follow. It's maybe a little bit. Let's try 0.1. .14. Okay. Oops. Put this on 0. Good. So that's our setup for the steering.